Assalamu alaikum students. Today we start the topic scope of statistics. Scope of statistics. Statistics are numerical statement of facts capable of analysis and interpreting as well as study of the method used in collection, organization, presentation, analysis and interpreting of numerical data. It is often said that statisticians is what statisticians do. This explains that scope of statistics as very wide and extend extensively to the field of economics, commerce, trade, industry, agricultural, physical sciences, biosciences, astronomy, psychology, and many more. The following points explain the scope of statistics. The first point is statistics and the state. The word statistics has been derived from the various word in Latin word status, Italian word statista, German word statistic, French word statistique. All these words mean political state or statements art. These mean statistics has a deep relationship with the state. In ancient time, the statistics is concerned as science of kings or science of statecraft and in associated with collection of data concerning population, number of death and births, area under land cultivation, number of crimes, military strength and allied tasks. But at present time, statistics is used by almost all ministries or government department like finance ministry, agriculture ministry, defense ministry, industrial ministry and many more. For example, use of statistics for framing the policy of poverty alleviation, population control, inflation control, money supply, etc. Statistics and economics. Scope of statistics include the area of economics also. The statistical data and method of statistics are used for understanding the economic theories, economic problem, economic policy formulation, economic planning, budgeting, national income accounting, foreign trade, etc. Statistics is helpful in understanding the intensity of the economic problem and driving the solution for the same on the basis of the data available. Example, index number are used to study price of commodity, volume of production, import and export, etc. Time series analysis is used to study the behavior of price, production and consumption of commodity, money in circulation and sales of the firms. Statistics and natural sciences scope. Natural sciences are biology, zoology, medicine, meteorology, etc. The statistics are help in the field of physical sciences as the experiment conducted in the field are based upon the data collected. With the help of descriptive statistics is used both for analyzing data and drawing conclusion. Statistical and physical sciences. Statistical science involve geography, geology, astronomy, physics, etc. Descriptive statistics is used to present the complex phenomena concerning these branches of study is in numerical form in a very simple way. The method of statistics are applies to analyze the data and to find conclusion. Example, in geography, data concerning temperature level over the year can be collected and analyzed with the help of the statistics and social sciences. The statistical method are also useful in the field of history, sociology, education, psychology, etc. Various researches in this field are done with the help of statistics. For example, in the field of politics, statistics is used to evaluate the effect of the policies of the government in history. The record of all the past event is maintained with the help of descriptive statistics and research. The scope of statistics all could include the area of research. Any kind of research work is incomplete without the use of statistics. It plays an important role in the empirical investigation to the law and theories of various branches of study. It helps in verifying the practical validity of the law and theories of various branches of study. Statistics and planning. The scope of statistics also extend to the area of planning, planning is always done on the basis of past record or data. In this way, statistics become a base for planning and forecasting about the future. According to Tappet, planning is the order of the day, and without a statistic, planning is inconceivable. The saying of the Tappet rightly marked that the statistics are planning are indispensable. Statistics and industrial management. The scope of statistics also extend to the field of industry. Statistical quality control is a branch of statistics that deal with quality control of manufactured good. With the help of probability theory and sampling technique, control chart and inspection plan are formulated. Example, ISO, International Standard Organization, has stipulated certain statistical procedures to be followed to get an ISO series certificate, which have increased the scope of statistics. Statistics is used in the field of banking for various activities like fixing rate of interest, advancing of loan, making recoveries, establishment of new branches, etc. Also, the credit policy is framed on the basis of the data collection regarding the demand and supply of money in the economy. Statistics and insurance. Theory of probability is the tool of statistics that is used in the insurance sector for the calculation of premium rate. Also, life insurance acceptancy tables are prepared with the help of statistics. Statistics and commerce. Statistics is also helpful in each and every activity that is covered under the framework of the commerce. It is used in the business activities such as production management, demand forecasting, financial analysis, costing, marketing, manpower planning, market research, etc. Now, the conclusion: apart from above mentioned areas, the scope of statistics also extend to the field of chemistry, sociology, engineering, accounting, auditing, etc. It is instrument in enhancing human welfare, and as such is a master key that enable us to solve the problem of mankind almost in every field of life.